Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here to the channel, kindly make sure to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button, of course hitting the bell icon so that you won't be left out anytime a new video is uploaded right here on the channel. So in today's video, I'm simply going to show you guys how to download Microsoft Office 365 using your school's email ID. Okay, so there are some schools that goes into agreement with Microsoft to actually get their students the full access or to download Microsoft Office for free. Okay, so if your school happen to be one of the schools that agrees with Microsoft to let students use the application for free, then you are very lucky today, as I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of downloading Microsoft Office 365 using your school's email address. So if you're ready, let's dive right into the video. Alright guys, so to start with this video, I'm actually gonna open my web browser and then type Microsoft here Office 365. Come down and select this option, Office 365 login. Alright, so here, as we are on the Microsoft website, you can either sign in when you have a Microsoft account, but in this place, just as we are signing up, and then we are using it for educational purpose, so we select for education. So here you have it, get started with Office 365 for free. And then just as you can see here, sign up for Office 365 education for free, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and now Microsoft Teams, plus additional classroom tools. Alright, so all you got to do is to use your valid school email address to get started today. So guys, just as I told you, if you happen to be in a university where your school actually has this collaboration with Microsoft or has an agreement in where Microsoft, you can actually use your school's email address to get Microsoft Office for free, and then it's legal. Okay, so let's get started. I'll go ahead and then enter my email address, school's email address over here. Just as you can see, I have it already here, so I just click on it and then select get started. Alright, so here you have, are you a student or a teacher? Alright, so just like I said, I'm a student, so I select I'm a student option. So just as you can see, you have an account with us to get your free Office. Sign in with your Office 365 user ID and password. So I'll go ahead and sign in because I've already signed up using my school's email address. But if you want to sign up, it's very simple. Just follow the same procedure. You just have to accept the terms and conditions, and then you'll be ready. So I'll go ahead and then sign in. So just as you can see here, I have my email address top here. Unfortunately, I can't let you guys see. So I'll go ahead and enter my password. Alright, so click on sign in and show yes, and you should be in. Alright, so just as you can see, it said I already have a license for Office 365 education, so I got it. I'll go back and then sign in, just like I told you guys already. I've already signed up using my school's email address. So just as you can see, it has been open to me. Good evening print, and then to go ahead and then install it on my PC, I just come on the far right hand side and I click on install. Okay, for me, I'm going to choose the first option and select it, and then it should start downloading for me. So it's done downloading. I'll go ahead and then open it. So just as you can see, we are getting things ready. So guys, it's very simple, very easy and convenient, and it's legal too. Alright, so you have it here. Office is installing in the background. So here you have it. So I have it here. You are all set. Office is installed now. So Microsoft Office is being installed. You will group in Word. Just as you can see, I have it here. Everything is working perfectly fine. Let's see PowerPoint. So everything is working perfectly fine. So guys, that's the video for today. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And then of course, if this video was helpful, kindly comment down below that you were able to do it, and then comment down below also content or videos or tutorials that you want us to be dropping videos on. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you're new to, kindly make sure to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and of course the bell icon. Thank you guys, and then see you in the next video. Ciao.